to the Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. So today we're going to learn how to multiply with the lattice method, and I have my student Zahra here with me today.
Yay!
Okay, so they're asking us to solve the following using the lattice method. 24 times 35. So, does somebody know how we use the lattice method? Okay, Zahra?
I think we put 24 both in one box and 35 in the other box.
Like this? Or like,
yes,
and like this?
That, like that.
But then what about the other two boxes?
Then we put 2, 4 and 3, 5.
Okay, so 24. And then we do 30. Oh. And then what are you saying? We do like this?
35.
35 like this?
Yes.
Okay, so now what do we do? Does anyone know? My guess is that you multiply, right? So 4 times 3 is going to be 12, and you put it like that. And then 4 times 5 is
20.
Okay, good job. 2 times 3 is
0, 6.
Good job. And whenever you have only one number, you add a 0 there. Good job. Now 2 times 5?
10.
Good job. Okay, now what do we do?
I think we add, because in the normal way we add then.
Okay, so let's add. So 0 is 0.
Oh, we add diagonally?
Yeah, like this.
Oh, okay.
And you see these lines? You add between them.
Okay.
So 2 plus 2 plus 0 is?
4.
Okay, good. 1 plus 6?
1, 6, 1, 7.
Plus 1?
9.
No, it's 8.
Oh. Oops, I added 2.
Good try. Okay, and then there's a 0 right here, okay? So our answer is going to be 840. Okay, because this is using the last method. Now let's check our answer. Let's multiply the normal way. We have 24 times 35. We should get 840. 4 times 5 is 20. And then 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. And then
add a placeholder.
Good.
I love my placeholders.
And then 4 times 3, 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So let's add these. And we have 840. So we're done.
Bye.
Thank you for watching, and smash them like and subscribe buttons. Thank you. Bye.